Hello again guys, hope you're well. Me and Mike were topping some conifers this morning and it's raining quite a bit today. Not worked in the rain for a while, been spoilt really with this good weather we've had. I'll just show you what we've been doing. So I've took the tops out of these conifers here and we'll finish off by just trimming the sides after. Michael's dealing with the waste on the ground while I've been up there with the chainsaw doing the dangerous stuff, and I might.
Yeah. To be fair, you have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So on a serious note though, I do tend to do the more dangerous stuff, don't I, Mike?
Yeah.
Because as an employer, I don't feel comfortable making Michael do dangerous stuff. So if there's anything which I think is quite risky, I tend to do it myself because I can't really sue myself, can I?
I ain't complaining.
But Michael could sue me, couldn't he? Michael just wants to show you how he moves his waste around when we're doing jobs like this.
Yeah, you can put it in some bags, but when you get it on the truck it's quite hard to get it all out. So what we do is we lie a bag down and then lay it all on.
Yeah. So I mean, if you're going to take waste away and it's going to stay in bags, yeah, put it in the bag. But because we're just going to put it on the tipper truck, this is what we do. And it will save you dropping debris on the way out of jobs as well, so there'll be less clearing up. Not really a problem on this job though. Bit of firewood here from the job.
Keep framed.
Only happens when you're doing a video, doesn't it? So basically that's how Michael gets it on the truck, and later on we'll run the chainsaw through that. You'll be surprised how much this waste goes down when you run the chainsaw through it. Seriously, that isn't even half full, guys. And some smaller bits here we're going to put on later. But really, you use the sling system for long branches and that. It's a useful way of moving stuff from A to B. So I've still got a bit of work to do around here. These conifers, I keep these a bit higher on this side, but not too much work there now. Maybe a bit to nip off over here just to keep the line. And that one there looks dead. So we had some great comments on our last video, guys, so thanks for that. And also remember, the comments are useful for other people watching as well, especially people who are new in their business and starting a business. And also it's great to have different points of view, and on this channel I'm not saying our ways are the right ways. You have to find your own ways, but if you can take something from us that helps you, that's a good thing. What do you want to say, Mike? Anything before we go? Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Hopefully it'll be drier the next video.
Yeah. We don't mind a bit of rain, do we, Mike?
A bit.
Yeah, a bit. But I'll tell you what, if it's really heavy rain, yeah, sometimes we would just call it a day and not even leave the house sometimes. I think I'm going to invest in a better step, Mike, for you to get up and down. And for me.
You get used to this bar across here, and when it's not there, you go to grab it.
Yeah, normally we have a bar along here, but Michael's took it off just to get in and out easier. And so normally when he jumps out, he grabs the bar and swings, don't you?
Yeah, that bar.
Yeah, that bar there. So we'll put that back in. Well then guys, thanks for watching. See you later.
Bye.